Hi, in today's Ruby piano tutorial, I will be teaching you how to play the Addams Family theme song on piano, slow and easy. First, I'm going to play through the whole song slowly, and then after that, I'll give you some lessons on how to play it. Here we go, I'm going to start right here. Okay, here's the next part. Then it goes back to the first part, but this hand stays higher. Okay, the real song actually plays that middle part twice, so if you want to play it like the real song, you play the first part, middle part twice, and then the first part again. But right now I'm going to give you some lessons to show you and help you play these parts. So the first part, the right hand, we have fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to put thumb on F, and then finger number 4 on B flat, the black key, and all you're going to do is play 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Super easy. Give it a try. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, you're just going to shift your hand up one step to where your thumb is on G, and you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Let's give it a try. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one happens 3 times, and then you go back to the F. So you do the F, 3 G's, and 1 F, and that's the beginning. So let me show you how the left hand goes with it. It's actually kind of easy because when right hand plays F, left hand plays F. When right hand plays B flat, left hand plays B flat. So you're going to play F, bum, bum, B, wait, wait, and now shift up to G, G, bum, bum, C, wait, wait, G, C, again, G, C, now back down to the F. So it's actually really easy, but the easiest thing to do is you think both, up, up, both. Okay, so let's give that a try. Ready and go. F, up, up, both, shift up, G, up, both, stay there, G, up, both, one more time. Now go back to the F one, both. And that's how the first part goes. It's actually super simple. Please try to learn the part first before you add the snapping, but after you get it, you can practice with the snapping. Because what happens is your hands come away and they have to find their spots. But you get faster at it if you practice it. Now we're going to come over here to the second part. You're going to put finger 1 on F, finger 3 on B flat, and finger 5 on D. First, we're going to practice playing 1, 3, 5, 3. So we're going to play 1, 3, 5, 3. Do it again. 1, 3, 5, 3. And after you do that, you're going to land on G. So let's try it. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5, 3, G. And then the next thing you're going to do is play E flat, C. E flat, C. And that's the first part of the melody. So let's give it a try. Put your thumb on F. Ready and go. G, E flat, C. Good. The next part, put finger 3 on the A flat, and then you're going to go to C, A. Let's do that again. You're going to go A flat, A, C, A. Give it a try. Ready and go. A flat, A, C, A, F, D, B flat. Let's try that part. Ready and go. C, A, F, D, B flat. Now you're going to play like the first part with the 1, 3, 5, 3 with the F. Ready and go. G, E flat, C. It's exactly the same line as we just did. And then the next line is going to go B flat, A, F, 1, 2, 3. Oops, I counted the wrong fingers. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, the 1, 2, 3, 4 happens right there. So let's see. Let's go right here. B, A, F, 2, 3, 4. That's what I meant to say. Let's try that part again. B, A, F, 2, 3, 4. And right after that, it goes back into the... Okay. Now, work on that right hand part. I'm going to show you what the left looks like, and then you can practice right hand alone, practice left hand alone, and after you get comfortable with them both, rewind to the beginning of the video and practice through with that. Okay, so here we go. Here's the left hand for the second part. You're going to put, just like over here, our hands are kind of doing the same thing, though how you have that part, your hand is going to stay in that position. And let's practice playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a second because it'll help you. You're going to go 1, B flat is 2, 3, 4, 5. Try it again. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. The notes here are easy. You're going to push B flat, and you're going to push C, and you're going to push F, and then back to B flat. And that happens twice. So it goes right here, the B flat, bum, 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 C, bum, bum, F, bum, 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 B, bum. And you repeat, bum, B, bum, 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 C, bum, bum, F, bum, 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 B. I know they're B flats, but it's hard to say B flat that fast. Okay, that's how the left hand goes. If the left hand part is too hard for you, only stick to the right hand. Okay, I'm going to ask you to pretty please do both hands on the beginning part, even if you're a beginner, because it's really going to help you out. If the second part is too hard to do two hands, don't worry about it. Only work on the one hand. Do what you can do, have fun, and if you want to learn another video, click one of those boxes up there somewhere. And for other songs you want to learn, please comment down below what songs you want to learn or what you need help with, okay? Anyways, I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you later. Bye!